Hi, hello, welcome to Quick Revision. I hope you are following my channel. If you are watching first time, then subscribe quickly and continue. In today's class, we are going to learn about redox reactions. So in the last class, we learned about oxidation and reduction reactions. So in today's class, we are going to learn about redox reactions. So what is a redox reaction? So the definition is very simple. So that is, it's a type of reaction in which one reactant gets oxidized while the other gets reduced. So such reactions are called oxidation reduction reactions or redox reactions. In other words, we can define it: if the oxidation and reduction takes place simultaneously in a chemical reaction, such reactions are called as redox reactions. So with the example equation, we learn how redox reactions works. So here I have an equation. So here both oxidation and reduction takes place. So this equation is also given in your textbook. So here, if you look at this hydrogen is getting oxygen and it convert into water. Got it? So that means oxygen is added to hydrogen. So hydrogen gets oxygen. So therefore, so according to the definition, addition of oxygen to a substance is oxidation. So therefore, this must be an oxidation. So here I'll write oxidation. So this is the oxidation reaction takes place here. And when you are looking this arrow mark here, so here copper oxide in the reactant side, so that is converted into copper. So here the copper oxide is losing oxygen. The copper oxide is losing oxygen, and in the product side you can observe only copper. Got it? So the loss of oxygen, or removal of oxygen from a compound is called as reduction. So therefore, so this is reduction. Got it? So like this, oxidation and reduction is taking place simultaneously in this equation. So therefore, this reaction is an example for redox reaction. In the examinations, the question may be asked related to these kind of reactions. So here, a question, for example, here in above equation, according related to this. So name the substance oxidized. Name the substance oxidized. We already know that is the substance which gets oxygen, that is said to be oxidized. So that means here hydrogen is getting oxygen. So hydrogen getting oxygen, therefore oxygen is added to hydrogen. So the substance oxidized is hydrogen, because hydrogen got oxygen here. So therefore it is hydrogen is said to be oxidized. So next is the substance reduced. Name the substance reduced in the above equation. Name the substance reduced. So we know that reduction is removal of oxygen. See here, copper oxide loses oxygen. Copper oxide is losing oxygen. So therefore, copper oxide is the substance that is reduced. Got it? Copper oxide is the substance that is reduced. That means substance reduced is copper oxide. Got it? And one more questions, that is another type of question that I can ask here. Name the oxidizing agent. Name the oxidizing agent. So here the oxidizing agent is one which gives oxygen to a substance. Oxidizing agent is one which gives oxygen to a substance. So here copper oxide is an oxidizing agent because it is providing oxygen to other substance and it gets reduced itself. Got it? So therefore oxidizing agent is copper oxide. So then name the reducing agent in the above equation. So reducing agent. So the reducing agent is here, look at this. The hydrogen is the reducing agent. Hydrogen is the reducing agent. See, look at this. This hydrogen oxidizes itself. Hydrogen oxidizes itself. That means oxygen is added to hydrogen and this hydrogen acts as a reducing agent. Got it? So if you look at this equation, the copper oxide the copper oxide is oxidizing agent and hydrogen is reducing agent. So copper, here the copper is reduced product and this water or H2O is so oxidized product. So got it. So this clearly tells us about redox reaction. So this is an example for redox reaction.